Nalito, hada talalang so kebang hot karbi youth festival nagalang duna hot karbi risong sorong jene chalang hot nalito pa nagapi joji ke nili Tuliram Ronghang si anak pecopo akena tu anda kali hota na video nikpo hota toiko.
Today we have invited you to this news conference at Difu. We are holding at Difu now. I, as the president of the All Party Hill Leaders Conference, would like to say with sorrow, with sadness, that during this election campaign at Umrongso golf field, Tuliram Ronghang, the chief executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, he invited the people there, Karbi people, mainly Karbi people there, to join Karbi festival, and then he promised them openly over microphone that he would feed them with liquor, malt, and meat to eat. This is a shameful thing because this Karbi Cultural Society is holding Karbi Cultural Festival. Our cultural festival in this modern time is not eating and drinking. It is a good thing. Culture, it is, we celebrate in the most refined manner. We'll have to celebrate in the most refined manner. Drinking, eating may be culture long ago, that is 500 or 1000 years ago. But now this is no more our culture. Or not only our, not Karbi culture, but others also, it is not their culture anymore now. Therefore, this asking people, requesting people to come and join cultural festival to eat and drink is not a good thing, and we condemn it. Another thing is, now NC Hills Autonomous Council election is being held. It will be held tomorrow. Polling will be tomorrow. And during this campaign, election campaign, asking, showing temptation to the people to eat and drink is not permissible as per election law. That is why we have condemned it, and then we request the government that suitable punishment should be given, inflicted upon Mr. Ronghang for utilizing, for tempting people to eat and drink during our cultural festival. Thank you.